Let's look at the decision on how to choose the materials. So the first one would be adopting materials. Next is developing materials. And the third one, adapting materials. What is meant by adopting? It is to select existing materials and using it wholesale. While developing means creating your own materials from scratch. And adapting means selecting the existing materials and making adjustments to them. Here's a checklist for adapting materials. We could look into the materials background as well as the materials that would fit to the curriculum. So the first one, what would be materials background would be the author's credentials or records. What would be their education and experience. So that would tell you how reliable the information that they are going to provide in the materials will be. What about publisher's reputation? All right, the quality of the uh, publication. Fit to curriculum would refer to four areas. One, approach and assumptions and theories. Um, the needs of the language proficiency, availability, and cultural appropriateness, goals and objectives, and content consistency with techniques and exercises. These are some guidelines in developing materials. First, identify the need for materials, explore the need for materials, then contextualize the realization of the materials, relate to real life, and achieve interaction with students' senses, feelings, views, and intuitions. And finally, how to adapt the existing materials. Right, you could add, which includes expanding and extending. You could delete, including subtracting and abridging. You could modify, which includes rewriting and restructuring. You could simplify by making the content simpler. You could reorder, that is, to organize according to the needs.